Hello guys. Percentages confuse students not because they're hard, but because they don't know how to convert them. In this video, you'll learn what are percentages and how to turn it into fractions or decimals step by step. Before we start, let us understand what is the meaning of percentage. The percent simply means out of 100. So when I have here anything percent here means out of 100. And here we take the number as it is and we put it up in the numerator. And that's the whole meaning of the percentage. So when I say 30%, it means I have 30 out of 100. When I say 5%, also it means 5 over 100. Even if I say whatever, X%, it means X over 100. And that's the whole idea. And from this concept, we are going to start to learn how to convert percentage into a fraction. Let's get started with the first example. Starting with the first example that we saw, as we said, 40% means 40 over 100. You might think we're done, it is already in fractions, but our work here is not done. We still have to work on simplifying it to the simplest form. Here I notice that we have zeros up and down. That means both of them I can divide by 10, or I can simply cancel the zeros. I'll have 4 over 10, and I notice that I can still simplify them both by dividing by 2. So it will become 2 over 5. And that's how the 40% turns into a fraction. Let's take another example. Let's say here I have 75%. As we said, directly anything percent means over 100. So 75 over 100. Here I notice that I can divide by 5. So let's get started with dividing by 5. Up it will become 15 and down it will become 20. Here I can still divide by 5 up and down. Now some of you might notice that I can directly divide it by 25, also doable, we will get the same answer. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So there we go, 75% is 3/4. Let's take another example, and the most famous percentage is the 50%, which is 50 over 100. Divide both of them by 10 or cancel by zeros, I will get 5 over 10. And then by dividing by 5 up and down, I will get 1 over 2. And that's why they say that the 50% actually represents the half. And that's how we do it for every and single percentage that you will see in your life. Let's take the final example here. Let's say 13%, which is, as we said, 13 over 100. Now here notice that there's nothing I can divide up and down with the same number to simplify it. It means I am already in the simplest form and my work here is done. Now let's learn how to turn percentages into decimals. Now, to convert a percentage to a decimal, you have to divide the number by 100 or simply moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. Let's take a look at it. So for 40%, I will put 40 as it is. The decimal point, since there is no decimal point, that means it's on the most right. Move it 2 steps backward, 1, 2, it will be right here. So the answer is 0.40, and of course there's nothing called 0.40, it will become 0.40, and the zeros on the right side of the decimal are neglected, so the answer is 0.4. Let's try it again. 50%, as we said, we put 50. From the decimal point I go 2 steps backward, 1, 2, it's right here. The answer is 0.50, or I can simply say 0.5, and don't forget to put 0 on the left. The answer is 0.5, another representation of half. Let's continue to 3%, same thing. I will put 3% and move the decimal point 2 steps backward, 1 and 2, it will be right here. Fill the empty spaces with zeros, and the answer is 0.03. Let's take 12.5, write it as it is. Here we already know where is the decimal point. All I have to do is move it 2 steps. So 1, 2, it will be right here. Fill the empty spaces with 0, and the answer will be 0.125. And finally, with 13%, write it as it is, move the decimal point from the most right 2 steps backward, fill the empty spaces with a 0, it will become 0.13. And that's how we do it to any percentages that you will see in your life. So to wrap it up, if I have any percentage in the world, I want to turn it into a fraction, I would put it over 100 and simplify the fraction by dividing up and down with the same number. Here I can divide by 5 to become 7 over 20, and there we go, it's in the simplest form. Or I can simply move 2 steps backward, so the decimal point is here, move 2 steps backward. Okay, it will become 0.35. After filling the empty spaces with the 0, the answer is 0.35. And that's how we do it. In the next video, we'll start from fractions and convert them into decimals and percentages using also one clear method. Watch that video next, and I will see you in the next time.